Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can install and use Netflix on your TCL Android TV. So if you want to use install Netflix, what you can simply do is, as you can see, the Netflix in my TCL Android TV is pre-installed. If I go in my apps and if I can show you, if I try to uninstall it, it does not let me uninstall the Netflix because it is pre-installed in the TCL and TCL does not allow you to uninstall it. At least this is the case in my region of TCL. But for some reason, if it is not available in your TCL Android TV, you can go to apps and then you can simply open Google Play Store from right here. And in the Google Play Store, on the top right corner, as you can see, there is the settings, there is the search bar, and in the search bar you can search for the Netflix application. You can type in Netflix through your keyboard and the Netflix application will pop up right here. From here you can install the Netflix application, and if you want to update the Netflix application which is not updated, or if you have the old version of Netflix application, you can do it from right here, and then you can open Netflix and use it from right here. So I hope it was helpful and it resolved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.